Hello everybody, it's Falcon and Buck here.
And today we are going to be showing you a Christopher Robbin Funko Pop set. So there's 3 in it: Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, and Eeyore. So first we're going to start off with Eeyore. He's the donkey that has the weird tail that keeps falling off.
For some reason, it's called Christopher Robbin.
But there's no Christopher Robin in it.
Yeah, doesn't make sense.
And this Eeyore looks happy, even though he's like always sad.
Yeah, depressed Eeyore. I wonder why he's always sad. Except for the part where like his tail always falls off.
Okay.
Next we have Winnie the Pooh. Cutest. I think Winnie the Pooh is the cutest one out of the set. Okay.
And then finally we have Tigger, the bouncy one.
So this is a small set, but there's even smaller sets. There's like sets with one character.
Yeah. If we did a video on that, it'd be like 10 seconds long.
Yeah.
Just the intro, that, and then the outro.
So comment down below which one is your favorite out of the set. And comment down below
If you like Winnie the Pooh.
And comment down below if you've seen the movie.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And sorry about the moment of silence. Bye.
Peace out.